Social Science, Grade 7, Block 6, Kings and Architecture. LP1, Places of Worship and Water. LP2, Forts, Tombs and Gardens by teacher Shikha. Places for worship and water. Temples and mosques were beautifully built as they were places of worship and also demonstrated the wealth, power, and devotion of the patron. For example, the Raja Rajeshwara temple was built by King Raja Rajadeva to show his devotion to Lord Raja Rajeshwaram. It says that the greatest lawgiver and architect is God Himself, who created the world out of chaos and introduced order and balance. As each new dynasty came into power, kings emphasized on their relation to God, and so rulers offered patronage to learned and pious men and transformed their capitals into religious and cultural centers. The rule of a king in ancient time was considered an age of plenty where all resources were available in plenty, especially water. And so kings built tanks and reservoirs to provide clean water to their subjects. For example, Iltutmish built the Hauz-e-Sultani King's Reservoir, a large water reservoir outside Delhi. Many a time, these water sources were built as a part of a mosque or a temple. Between the 8th and the 18th centuries, kings and their officers built two kinds of structures. First were forts, palaces, and tombs. Second were structures meant for public activity, including temples, mosques, tanks, wells, bazaars. By making structures for subjects' use and comfort, rulers hoped to win their praise. However, construction activity was also carried out by others, including merchants. However, domestic architecture, large mansions, havelis of merchants has survived only from the 18th century. Children, please read this lesson from your content book for further understanding. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.